Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use free overdraft coverage on Cash App. To begin, overdraft coverage is a feature that allows your account to cover small transactions even when your balance isn't enough. For example, if you need to spend $20 but you only have $10 in your account, the overdraft feature can cover the extra $10. Your account will then show a negative balance and you'll need to repay it with your next deposit. Cash App now offers this feature without charging any fees. First, let's go over what you need to activate free overdraft coverage. This feature is available only to users who have the Cash App debit card. If you don't already have the card, you'll need to apply for one before you can access overdraft protection. Once you have the debit card, open your Cash App. On the home screen, tap on the card icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see an option called Free Overdraft Coverage. Tap on it. Cash App offers overdraft coverage for free, but there are a few conditions you need to meet. You must have direct deposit set up with Cash App and you'll need to receive at least $300 in paychecks every month. Once this is set up, you can activate the overdraft feature, and it will allow transactions to overdraft your account by up to $50. If you're ready to activate this feature, tap Continue. If you haven't set up direct deposit yet, Cash App will guide you through the process. Follow the prompts to link your paycheck directly to Cash App. Once your direct deposits start coming in, the overdraft feature will be enabled automatically. Here's how it works. When you make a purchase that exceeds your balance, Cash App will cover the difference up to $50. For example, if your balance is $20 and you need to spend $60, the transaction will be approved and your balance will show negative $40. The next deposit you receive will repay the negative balance automatically. Keep in mind that this feature only works if your overdraft does not exceed the $50 limit. If your purchase is higher than what overdraft coverage allows, the transaction will be declined. That's it. That's how you can solve how to use free overdraft coverage on Cash App. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.